So in this example, we're going to show you how to kind of find mean absolute deviation, which is a long process to find because there's a couple things that you have to do. So in this example, for mean absolute deviation, they gave me some numbers for people that do not have high school diplomas. They gave me 10, 9.5, 11.5, and 13. So your first step is to find the mean. Remember, the mean is when you add up all of the numbers and then divide by the amount of numbers. So I'm adding up all the numbers here, and then I'm dividing, that's what the fraction bar means, by the amount of numbers since there's 4 numbers. Once I add it all up, I get 44, and then 44 divided by 4, my mean equals 11. So once you find the mean, your second step is to figure out how far each number, so each of these numbers, are away from the mean. So my mean's 11. So I want to figure out how far each of these numbers are away from 11 because 11 is my mean. So 10 is 1 away from 11. 9.5 is 1.5 away from 11. 11.5 is 0.5 away from 11. 13 is 2 away from 11. And again, I really just got this by saying 11 minus 10, 1. 11 minus 9.5, 1.5. 11.5 minus 11.5, 13 minus 11, 2. And your last step is to find the mean of those distances. So you're finding the mean of the what you got, how far away they are from each other. So I said 1 plus 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 2. Because remember, your mean, you're adding and then dividing by the amount of numbers. So if I add it all together, I get 5. And I'm dividing it by 4 because, again, I have 4 distances. So 5 divided by 4, my mean absolute deviation, also known as MAD, would actually be 1.25. Please remember, you find the mean, then you find the distances from the mean, and then you find the mean of those distances. I like to say it's called MAD because it makes you mad because you have to find the mean 2 different times.